A community in mourning, residents fearful of further reprisals, and political representatives urging the authorities to quickly find those responsible for yesterday's double murder in Gregory Park, St. Catherine. Krista Campbell has this primetime news follow-up.
Police caution tapes and investigators at the site of Sunday's double murder along the Gregory Park main road in Portmore, St. Catherine. Evidence of the drive-by shooting still linger. Bloodstain, bullet holes inside and outside of this bar, and markers, up to 19 of them, indicating the number of shots fired at patrons about 2:45 Sunday afternoon.
I heard persons from far as Meadowvale and Christian Penn and surrounding communities of Hamilton Gardens and Train Line were hearing the shots and thought it was a war zone. The magnitude and multitude of shots from high-powered weapons did bring a scare to them.
Residents too scared to speak to our news team, Councillor for the Portmore Pines Division, Claude Hamilton, says he's also afraid for them.
They are fearful of persons not coming on the frontier and shooting as they did, but coming into their community and looking for specific persons and not finding specific persons will look just for anybody as it is. They killed innocent persons last night. They probably are still blood person. I want to think some more. That fear is real, we believe.
He believes community policing will help the authorities gain the people's trust and understand the nature and the genesis of the ongoing reprisals.
This, we believe, is coming far back from possibly over 3 years, but definitely on November 11th, 2023, there was a killing. A few changed. The next bar to my right-hand side over here.
I would have participated in so many peace initiatives and peace walks in this area. I can't even recall the amount. It was just a year ago, not far from here, a good walk, but walking distance from here, that some houses were firebombed. And again, entire communities brought into a sense of fear and doom.
Now, Councillor Hamilton notes the police had suspected possible attacks and increased patrols in the space Friday and Saturday.
We thought that this reprisal might have been carried out earlier if it wasn't for the police presence there. If you note, the police came in the evening on those 3 days, and on Sunday when the gunman struck, they struck early before they thought that the police would have arrived and be in the area at close call.
The political representatives are appealing for swift action to bring those responsible to justice and to end once and for all the string of reprisals. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.